Make a great choice today with the 2022 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, hill descent control, trailer brake controller, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, remote engine start, active grille shutters, brake assist, traction control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.